This is a tutorial on how to make a paper slide. Step 1. Research your topic. You can make a paper slide on any topic. Research that topic and identify key ideas or details that you think are the most important and that everyone should know. These are the ideas that will guide your paper slide. Step 2. Get organized. Once your research is completed and ideas are ready, plan your slides. If you're working with a group, you might want to divide the content up and assign individual slides to group members. When you are organizing, you should write out a script so that you know exactly what is being said and explained for each slide. Also, make a storyboard. This is your rough draft of your paper slide. Basically, a paper slide takes some planning. Step 3. Illustrate. My paper slide is made out of copy paper, but there are other ways to make your paper slide. No matter your style, you must illustrate. The illustrations should be the majority of the slide. Your slide should be mostly visual, have minimal words, be in sequential order, and your ideas should be clear through your illustrations. This is where you get to be creative. Step 4, practice. Once you have your plan, be sure to practice. Practice your script. Practice moving the papers and time it. You don't want to ramble on or go too quickly. You only get one take. There is no editing your paper slide, so practice, practice, practice. Step 5, film. Now is the time to make it official. You've planned and practiced, now film it. You can use your phone or a video camera, whatever you have handy, but remember, you only get one take. Step 6, publish your work. There are many social media sites that allow you to publish your work. Instagram, YouTube, just 2 examples, but make your work public. And thank you for watching.